Okay, Nandina's Academy presents online class. This is for subject science and this is for class 2. The first lesson of this textbook is types of plants. Now the students, you learn the difficult words of the lesson. I have noted some of the difficult words of the lesson as they are trees. Okay, try to pronounce the words properly. Trees, shrubs, hops, climbers, creepers, root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, seed, banyan, hibiscus, grapevine, watermelon, strawberry. Look at the spelling of strawberry. Strawberry. Trunks. Trunks. And tulsi. Pronounce the difficult words of this lesson and learn their spellings also. Okay. Very important. Types of plants. Okay, students. There are all together 5 types of plants. They are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. Once again, there are 5 types of plants. Okay. They are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. Okay, first about trees. As you know that big and tall plants with strong and woody stems, trunks, those woody stems, we say them trunks. Okay, the woody stems are like trunks are called trees. Examples: banyan, neem, and mango tree, and many others. Okay, next topic is herbs. Small plants with soft stems are called herbs. The examples are mint, coriander, etc. Next topic for you is shrubs. You can see in this page, nice shrub is given here. Small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. Examples: rose, tulsi, and hibiscus. Okay. Climbers. You can see in the picture also. Plants with weak stems that need the support of other plants, walls, or sticks to grow upright are called climbers. Some of the examples are grapevine, money plant, etc. Now creepers. Plants with weak stems that grow along the ground are called creepers. Now you can see in the picture example of creeper, watermelon. Big watermelon is given in the picture. Examples are watermelon, pumpkin, strawberry, etc. Okay, this is parts of a plant. One plant is there. Let's look at flower. Okay, flower. This has been indicated by arrow द्वारा देखाइएको छ. Stem, you can see this is stem part. Okay, this is the stem part. And leaf, this is leaf, green part. Okay, green part of the plant. Fruit, you can see red part. Okay, fruit. Root, these are roots, they are under the ground. And seed, this is fruit. Inside the fruit you will see the seeds of the plant. Clear? Once again, these are the parts of different parts of the plant. Flower, as you can see, this yellow color flower you can see in the picture. Stem, this is the strong part of the plant that supports other parts of the plant. Likewise, leaf, this is leaf. Fruit, red color. Root, they are underground. And likewise, seed, this is the fruit, but inside the seed, inside the fruit, there are seeds. Okay, uses of parts of plants. This is very important for you. There are different parts of plants, and those different parts of the plants have the different uses. Just for example, flower produces fruits. Seed helps to grow baby plants. Steam carries water and food to all parts of the plants. Leaf helps to make food for the plant. Fruit helps to form seeds. Root fixes the plant to the ground and also helps to take in water and other things needed by plants. Once again, flower produces fruits. फूलले फल उत्पादन गर्दछ. Seed helps to grow baby plants. बिउबाट साना प्लान्टहरू हुर्काउनको लागि अर्थात् साना प्लान्टहरू निर्माण हुन्छन् त्यसबाट. Steam carries water and food to all parts of the plants. स्टिमले प्लान्टको सम्पूर्ण भागहरूमा पानी तथा खानाको सप्लाई गर्ने गर्दछ, पुर्याउने गर्दछ. Leaf helps to make food for the plant. पातले चाहिँ प्लान्टलाई खाना बनाउनको लागि सहयोग पुर्याउँदछ. Fruit helps to form seeds. फ्रुटबाट बिउ अर्थात् सीड्सको निर्माण हुन्छ, फर्म हुन्छ, बन्दछ. Root fixes the plant to the ground. रूट अर्थात् जरा हामी भन्छौँ इन नेपाली. रूटले प्लान्टलाई ग्राउन्डमा फिक्स गर्नको लागि सहयोग गर्दछ. एन्ड अल्सो हेल्प्स टु टेक इन वाटर, जसले पानी सोच्नको लागि एन्ड अदर थिङ्स निडेड बाई प्लान्ट्स, जो प्लान्टको लागि आवश्यक पर्दछन् त्यो प्लान्टको लागि आवश्यक पर्ने सम्पूर्ण चिजहरू पुर्याउनको लागि रूटले काम गर्दछ. ओके, दिस इज आई थिङ्क picture is clear for you. Green plants make their own food. Green plantहरूले आफ्नो खानेकुरा आफै बनाउँदछ. Look at the point, important point. Green plants make their own food with the help of the sunlight, air and water. Green plantहरूले आफ्नो खाना बनाउँदाखेरि सनलाइट को सहयोगले, हावाको सहयोगले र पानीको सहयोगले खाना बनाउँदछन्. खाना बनाउनको लागि सहयोग गर्ने चिजहरू भनेको सनलाइट हो, एयर हो, वाटर हो. के को लागि? ग्रीन प्लान्टको लागि. Once again, read out the sentence. Green plants make their own food with the help of the sunlight, air and water. They store extra food in roots, stems, leaves, fruits and seeds. जस्तो प्लान्टहरूको लागि अतिरिक्त खानाहरू जस्तो रुट्सहरूमा, स्टिम्समा, लिप्सहरूमा, फ्रुटहरूमा, सिडहरूमा चाहिँ संरक्षण गरिएको हुन्छ, अर्थात् तिनीहरूलाई भण्डारण गरिएको हुन्छ, राखिएको हुन्छ. प्लान्ट्स थ्रो अक्सिजन एन्ड टेकिङ कार्बन डाइअक्साइड. एज वी नो, प्लान्टहरूले जो हामीलाई आवश्यक पर्ने अक्सिजन फ्याँक्ने गर्दछन् र जबकि उनीहरूले कार्बन डाइअक्साइड चाहिँ लिने गर्दछन्, जो कार्बन डाइअक्साइड हाम्रो लागि विषाक्त हुन्छ. We throw carbon dioxide, just opposite from the human beings. We throw carbon dioxide, whereas we take in oxygen. But the plants, what they do? They throw oxygen and they take in carbon dioxide. So plants are very, very useful. Okay, this section tells you about the differences between shrubs and hops. Shrubs र hops को differences को बारेमा राम्रोसँग बुझ्नु होला. Small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. Only two differences, okay? Whereas here hops, small plants with soft stems are called herbs. Once again, small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. Small plants with soft stems are called herbs. They are rose, tulsi and hibiscus. These are the examples of shrubs. Whereas in herbs, mint, coriander, etc. Okay, differences between climbers and creepers. Plants with weak stems that need the support of other plants, walls or sticks to grow upright are called climbers. Whereas creepers, small plants with soft stems are called herbs. They are grapevine, money plant, etc. Creepers, they are mint, coriander, etc. Now, summary of the first lesson. Main points. Based on the size and the type of stem, plants can be grouped into trees, shrubs, hops, climbers, and creepers. Big and tall plants with strong and woody stems are called trees. Small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. Small plants with soft stems are called hops. Climbers are plants that need support of other plants, walls, or sticks to grow upright. Creepers are plants with stems that grow along the ground. Now, the first lesson has ended. We will show you next video, especially the exercise section in the next video. Okay, keep watching. Thank you very much.